inside. I ordered lemon lime bitter for myself because I'm going to do some study. Yay. How nerdy of me, studying in a bar. I can't wait to drink my lemon lime bitter. It's after work and I'm at this really nice bar.
Yeah. What's going on, guys? We out here, we finished, and we're living good.
Yay! What's your favourite and worst part about driving?
Acceleration and changing gears.
And the worst part?
The clutch control.
You don't look, you're just living your life.
I'm just living it for.
Yay! So you just jump and slowly lower. Not that scary. And slowly lower. Good. I could see that you were slowly lowering. That's good.
All exists at a party.
I just like that. Oh my god! It's the other one I like too.
That matches the other one.
Are you okay? What are you looking at? Oh, oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Why is your foot on my pillow? I need to sleep with this. Don't put your foot there. I have a little just donated to the Greyhound Rescue. Warning. Gave me a brochure and a key ring. So cute.